This story started in 1973 when, at 18 years old, I purchased my very first Triumph Herald convertible for the amazing sum of £250. It was followed by a GT6 with a 2.5 litre engine, and then I started Triumph Engineering in 1990 to restore, rebuild and create race cars. Every car you see here passed through our workshops. Every model of Triumph Herald, Vitesse, Spitfire ever built, I think. Some of them were total and utter restorations. Some of them were just tidy ups or repairs and maintenance. If you recognise any of the cars on here, if you own them or you've previously owned them, please leave a note in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. The workshop ran from 1990 to 1999, and we restored hundreds of Triumphs for lots of satisfied customers. We also prepared a great many race cars, a few of which you'll see later on in this recording. This is the amazing mid-engined GT6 of Kevin Ginger. We did a full restoration on it and corrected a few minor design faults from the original build. This is my Triumph Vitesse race car, which unfortunately got badly damaged in an accident at Liddon Hill, and I had to rebuild it with a new chassis. These are the shots showing the old and new chassis side by side as I swapped all the parts over. We also had another Vitesse race car. Mine had the yellow nose and the other one had the green nose, although I raced both of them at various times. I also raced various other cars, including Spitfires, not this one, it's Kevin Ginger's, TR7s, TR7 V8s, and basically any Triumph I could get my hands on. I finished with this TR6, which was the last Triumph that I raced. Green on green race car still races in the hands of John Davis, and he's been racing it for many years. The green and yellow car was put back to a road car and I believe still exists in a damson colour. This Wedgwood Blue Vitesse I purchased about 18 months ago, and it was a part completed restoration. I finished the restoration, repainted the whole car, reassembled the whole car, and it was a lot more hard work than I thought it was going to be. I stalled my white Vitesse restoration as I thought the blue one would be quicker. But as it turned out, it took a lot more work than I thought it was going to. The Poseidon Green TR7 V8, which I built, came up for sale a little while ago. I almost bought it, but I decided against it. This Vitesse is the one I'm currently restoring. Hopefully it's going to be finished over the winter because I'd love to be able to use it for car shows. Lastly, another racing Spitfire and a few more race photos. Hope you enjoyed the vid. If you could, leave me a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.